Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my channel name is Kondapalli Bros, and today I'm going to show you the rest of the game of Epic Car Race. And so let's start. Okay guys, so time to go. I'm in rest stop 2. You should watch part 1 for the until rest stop 2. I did like a few redos because only to help my cousins. Okay. And sliding. Guys, there should be like boosts here. Because this is insanely hard. I have kind of cough. Okay. You got a big kid. Okay, I made it. Yippee! Guys, I'm level 43. Huh? 15? Coins? Huh? I am only having 2,000. Maybe because you played a lot more than me. Because you may have reset the game so many times. Okay. No way or something. So whatever. I'm trying not to die, but I have to kill myself sometimes. Even you do, guys. There's a kill button. And you can just kill yourself with that button. Whee! That too. Oh yeah! Okay, guys, this is gonna be a long video, maybe. Oh my goodness! Okay, gotta kill.
Die because of this.
Guys, that was a close corner. You saw where I was. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I wish you a good luck. Thank you. Comment down below. Good luck. Guys, my brother is also playing. Nirvan, are you in my lobby?
I don't know.
Wait, I will check one. Way up. Yes, you are. There are speed bumps, but you gotta be careful. Zoom! I'm died.
I'm died.
Yes, I am died. Whoop. I'm also dead.
I got a cat.
Okay, no problem. What? How did I dodge all of that? I flipped over and slided all of them. Oh my god, I'm almost higher than the clouds. Yes, I am already higher than the clouds. Yeah. So I will just. Whoa. Nitro. Okay, that was close. That was on the corner, right? Yippee! Guys, this is gonna be hell. Okay.
My life depends on this. I need to go.
Okay, that was also kind of
Never gonna be stuck. Never. Never gonna be.
Oh, this one. Oh, it's gonna be. Need to just release Whoa, whoa! I died. Okay, don't judge me. Whoop! I don't want to see anybody sing. Why did you die at the last one? Oh my God, that was crazy jump. Now even more bigger jump. Whoop, 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 whoo. That was a perfect land almost. I died. Jump. Whoop. Guys, you know what I'm playing? For real. I'm a racer. Oh yeah, I'm a racer. Woo! I died. I am a racer. Okay. Real humans don't die on racing cars. Okay? This is an actual racer car. It's hard. Oh, okay. Don't judge me while I bought a real racing car instead of a fake one. Guys, I think those books dropped on me. Okay.
Anna, need to look the graph. But this one now. Anna,
What do we do? Okay. Nirvan, you can like do the incomplete what the You know what, guys? I am late. I boost! I use the boost! By the boost! Easy boost and chill!
I'm flying.
That boost in the tank! I'm playing it the legitimate way, dude. Oh, that was cool. Too bad I can't see my Twitter mommy though. I survived! Yee-hoo! I missed it! Guys, I bet I don't know anything, right?
How many coins do you have?
4,997. Just kidding, 5,000. 5,100 and I don't even know. I'm dying because of the stupid level replay. It's gonna be hard to level, but I don't know how I did this. No way. And people like me are greedy and want coins, of course. Exactly. I need those coins to buy new cars. All the coins are super expensive. Okay, cheese. Out. Stop. I don't. Okay. Whoa. I think I'm trying to slow and also I'm gonna wall right away from the last second, guys. What? About 6,000. I'm way below that score then. Guys, now wall riding time. No, I'm still in 500. Ow! Yeah. I'm dead too! My game is glitched. I think so. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it is. I've missed it again. What are the chances of making that, huh? I don't want to miss any coins. I did say I'm doing a wall ride on this. Yes, I am. Dude, and that's it for the wall. Thank you. 5,000. Okay, now I'm almost 6,000 too. Okay, I'm gonna miss that one. I need to perfectly line this stuff. That's how was the cushion. Okay, guys, just okay. Perfect. This way, now I can need to bother about it that much. Yeah. Guys, I'm in rest top 3. Dang. Dude, now third pit. Let's see. Dude, what? I can't get my third pit now? What the heck? How many coins do you have in it, one?
6,190.
6,190. I'm way more than you. 6,339, I think. 93. 30. Okay.
How?
I'm just 7, I guess, or something. You know what? I'm gonna try boosting it. Oh yeah, that definitely needed it. 4.
Sorry.
Map.
Wait,
fool, I'm seeing way more than Super boost! Back. Guys, I'm here in my cousin's house. Okay, he likes very much the cars and not the car is done. Hey, he would be very surprised. I mean, he's right behind me, so. Bruh. Go, 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 go. Yes.
Hey, sorry.
600. What? What did you say? I didn't hear. But I'm way more than you, Sook. See my score, you fool.
Then how much?
My score, you
How
fool.
much?
You would see it and then you will understand. Not by look. Okay.
Just
Back. 6,887.
I used a shortcut button. Shortcut means only one thing.
Skip. Then you will also gain coins as well, okay? Heck, there's like an invisible wall. I fell. Let me check. Oh, wall rides again.
Somehow 3 seconds.
What? Oh, you teleported back to the start, didn't you? ఎవరు ఆహా boost time.
What? Target for wall ride? That's a hard.
No, that is easy. Actually, that is way easier than your face. Oh my god.
This is hard.
No, I can like barely do it actually. Yeah, maybe this is hard for your face, but not that hard for me. I just need to use my boost. I shouldn't use the boost here. I'm getting 30, 35 coins each and every. Okay, I'm not gonna use that. It's a hard. Guys, it's gonna be a tough. I'm 7,000. I didn't even see me. Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Bye.